When it's time to take down your braids, don't rush. Undoing your braid should be given the same amount of attention you gave your hair when you were making it. What you see under the hair is product buildup. All the oils you put in your hair, the oils your scalp produces, sweat, dandruff, all of that causes a buildup of dirt. Unraveling the hair wastes a little bit of time. You can go ahead and cut your braids so to make it shorter, and then you remove the braids. But if you are afraid your hair might be inside the braid and you are afraid to cut your hair, then you just have to deal with unraveling it. That is so much product buildup in that part of the hair. After taking out the braids, massage your scalp a little bit. Do not comb your hair straight away. Instead, take the strands one by one. Use a comb to take out the product buildup over there, but I prefer to use my fingers to take out the hair one by one. You do it as if you are spreading it, removing the hair strands from the product buildup. Yes, this separates the hair nicely. Does it? Yes. You detangle a little bit. Detangle a little bit. Take your time to separate the hair from the dirt buildup over there. Slowly you do it, and then you detangle your hair. This is optional. My client brought her own concoction, a mixture of black seed oil and shea butter. You can use this to base your scalp. To rejuvenate your hair, you base your scalp with this. You can also use Jamaican black castor oil. You put it under your scalp. You massage your hair and you detangle your hair while you do this. You use it to massage your scalp, and then you be detangling your hair while you do it. You then add some more into the hair itself and you massage a little bit. Massage a little bit for all the stress exerted on the hair. You massage your scalp a little bit. I then use my hand to roughly section out the hair for combing. Do not comb from the roots. Comb from the tips of the hair before you get to the roots, in order not to shed too much hair. Comb. And then I braid the hair into section to allow the oil she puts on her scalp to sit for a while before she washes her hair. Do this and take all this time to remove your braids, and you will not shed as much hair as when you rush into undoing your braids.